And now I'm going to come in and show you how you can sync your calendar. So one of the great things about Picsello is it has two-way calendar sync or one-way calendar sync. If you don't need all of your personal information onto your Picsello calendar, you don't have to. You can actually just do it the other way, which is connect. By subscription, you can actually just put it onto your personal account so you can see. Or you can even you can use this. We have people copying the link to the Cozy family apps or everything so everybody can know when they have a shoot. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to connect your calendar. So come in here and click Connect Calendar. So it says securely connect your thing. So I'm going to go ahead and sync my calendars. And if I just started a Gmail account for this recording, so hopefully I can remember my email address. And it hasn't, what it says is it hasn't verified it, but what you do here is you click Advanced and go to Nyland. Sometimes it does that depending on which browser, but we have verified it, so we can continue to Nihilus. Okay, so one of the things, what do I want? I kind of want this email, the events, and yes, save. There you go. Pretty quickly, we can come in here and view the calendar. I don't actually have anything on the calendar because it's a brand new Gmail account. Come back here. Next, we will go to set up profile.